Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve desktop on Gmail app, you will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Gmail and you can enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.